Did you post a note and don't like it? Or maybe you made a mistake while writing and want to correct it? Let's delete it together. Open the Messenger app on your phone. If you go to your account and open Settings, you will see that you can't do anything with the posted note. There is a solution. Go back. Then press the Your Note button. In the window, besides your note and other information, you will see the Delete Note option. Click on it. In the new window, confirm once more that you want to remove the note and click on Remove. And you have successfully deleted your note. If you liked the video, give it a like. For more tips and tricks, follow the channel.